If you're not coming home tonight, if you wanna stay with me and we can both call it the night. Tahimik ang paligid, pwede tayo ang magingay. Liwanagan sa salubong sa katawang nagkahimlay.
Hi guys, welcome to my video. This video is intended for our PED activity. I am John Bernal Lamantas from DDM2B7 from Southwestern University, FINMA. And my chosen trainee is John Glenn Pinkian, your trainer for a month. And watch this video guys.
Okay, good evening, Mr. Trainer. I am John Kento, your trainee for a month. Oh, again, if you don't know me yet, I am John Ken. I am 19 years of age. I live in Lapu-Lapu City, and my personal goal is to better myself, to be better to myself. Thank you. Yes, I'm very, very willing to answer or to participate in your such questions. So, what are those? What's that? Is there anything to change? I guess I have to change my I'm so sorry with my background, guys. It's so very noisy, and I guess there's a lot of barriers here. So again, with your questions, we have to. If there's anything to change, and what is it? I guess that's my habit to procrastinate such exercises that can help my health, my well-being rather. Actually, I want to do some regular exercises, but my time is really conflicting. As being student, I can't avoid to obey with my time, and yeah, my exercises will be napapabayaan na. I guess I can do moderate activity, like to play volleyball, like not just for competition but just for fun, just for physical activity. Yeah. Yes, I am, and I am planning. Yes, I really try to do to participate in such exercises before, but I failed again because of my schedule. Yeah, that's the only factor that inhibiting me or preventing me from doing my exercises, or my goal rather. For me, I wanted to aim my potential to be able or to be capable for doing the exercises that I wanted to achieve my goal. Yeah. The unmet personal needs that I am thinking to attempt to meet is my muscle build up, my stamina, my peace of mind. Then I can achieve that only for doing regular exercise. But for as of now, I can't do it regularly due to my for the reason that I can do it just because of my time schedule conflict. Yeah, I answered that before. The about my body, what is it about my body that my mind that you are unhappy that you could positively affected by exercising? It's my peace of mind, my muscles. Syempre, I wanted to have muscles for not for crowd but for myself. I can defend myself. I can be stronger, and yeah. That's what that's what I think about my body, that exercise can be really helpful for it.